the distance between two stations P and Q is how much? 660 kilometers. A train starts from P at a P to Q at a speed of how much? 180 kilometer per hour at 12 p.m. While other train starts from Q to P at a speed of 140 kilometer per hour at 1 p.m. At what time both the trains will meet each other? Okay, definitely they will meet after 1 p.m. or before 1 p.m. After 1 p.m. What is the starting time of first train? 12 p.m. Second one starting time 1 p.m. In between 12 to 1, which one are travelled? First one are travelled or not? What is the first one speed? 180 or not? Means from 12 to 1, it is travelled 1 hour. In 1 hour, how much distance are travelled? 180 or not? Out of 660, already 180 is travelled by first train or not? What is the remaining distance? 480 or not? That 480 are travelled by both the trains after 1 p.m. or before 1 p.m. After 1 p.m. on which direction? Opposite direction. In opposite direction means what is the relative speed? Sum of these speeds are not. What is the sum of these speeds? 320 or not? 180 plus 140. How much? 320. Distance value 480. Sum of these speeds are 320 or not? Distance by speed we are get the time or not? 480 by 320. It is 3 by 2 or not? 3 by 2 means 1.5 hour or not? Okay. Then after 1 p.m. they will meet 1.5 hour or not? What is the answer? 2:30 p.m. or not? Next question number 52. Pie chart are given. Total runs scored by Sachin Tendulkar is how much? 12,240. All are given in degrees or percentage? Degrees or not? Okay. What is the first question? The number of runs scored by Sachin Tendulkar against Sri Lanka was how many more than that of against South Africa or not? Simply we required difference between Sri Lanka and South Africa. What is the Sri Lanka degrees? 95. South Africa 70. Difference is 25 or not? 25 upon 360 or not? What is the 360 degrees value? 12,240 or not? We required how many degrees value? 25 degrees or not? First zeros are cancelled. 36 3 times how much? 108. Remaining 144. How many times? 4 times or not? This one we return 25 into 34. 25 means it is 100 by 4 or not? Into how much value? 34. Then answer is 3,400 divided by 4. How much? 850 or not? Or 34 it is 17 multiple or not? 2 17s 2 times or not? 1700 by 2. 850 or not? Total pie chart is how many degrees? 360 or not? 360 degrees 12,240. We require 25 degrees. Next question number 53. Actually 53 questions, some mistake are given. The angle of elevation from one pole to other. There is no clarity about the A to B or B to A. Yes or no? And the angle of elevation from one pole to other is how much? 30. There is no clarity about the A to B or B to A. Okay. This is some mistake are given. Next question number 54. Which of the following is the smallest perfect square and is divisible by which one? 12, 15 and 18. We required smallest number that will become a perfect square or not? Take the LCM of 12, 15 and 18 or not? 12 means we return 2 square into 3 or not? Next 15 means we return 3 into 5 or not? Next one 18 means we return 2 into 3 square or not? Okay, all are splitted into prime numbers factors or not? Then what is the LCM value? First we write down all the prime numbers. After that, highest powers or lowest powers? Highest powers. What are the 2 highest power square, 3 highest power square into 5 or not? Okay. That number becomes a perfect square or not? 2 square already perfect square or not? 3 square already perfect square. Then 5 multiplied by 5 times, we are get the perfect square or not? Means entire number is multiplied by how many times? 5 times or not? Okay. 2 square 4, 4 5s are 20 into 9 means 180 into how many times? 5 times. Then answer 900 or not? Or LCM is 180. 180 multiples is the LCM value or not? Next question number 55. The profit earned by selling an article for 1260 is double the loss incurred when the article is sold for 1110. What will be the selling price of the article if it is sold at 12.5% loss or not? Okay. What is the question here? We required selling price of the article if it is sold at 12.5% loss or gain? Loss. 12.5% loss. What is the fraction? 1 by 8. Means out of 8 parts, how many parts are loss? 1 part. Means selling price is 7 parts or not? Yes or no? Then answer must be multiple of 7 or not? First one is 7 multiple. 7 13s 91. What is the remaining value? 105. It is 7 multiple or not? Next, second option is 7 multiple. No. Third option? No. Fourth option? No. Then answer is 1015 or not? Yes or no? First time he getting profit, but second time he getting loss. Profit is how many times of loss? 2 times of loss or not? If loss is 1 part, profit is 2 parts. What is the difference of the parts? 3 parts. Compared to cost price, 2 parts are more. Compared to cost price, 1 part is less. What is the difference in parts? 3 parts. The 3 parts equal to which one? Selling prices difference or cost prices difference? Selling prices difference. What is the selling prices difference? 1260 and 1110. What is the difference? 150 or not? 3 parts are 150. Every 1 part are 50 or not? Okay. Then loss is 50 rupees or 40 rupees? 50 rupees. Loss is 50 rupees. By selling the article, you getting loss are how many rupees? 50. Then cost price is how many rupees? 1110 plus 50 or not? That is 1160 or not? 1160. The same article it is sold at how much percent or loss? 12.5% loss or not? Means selling price will be 7 by 8 of which value? 1160 or not? 8 how many times? 14 times or not? 8 14s? 112. Again how many times? 5 times or not? 7 into 145. It will become 1015 or not? Yes or no? Next question number 56. Bar graph are given. The bar graph shows the number of passengers travelled by train A and train B on different days or not? Okay. One is train A, another one train B data. Different days are given or not? What is the first question? The number of passengers travelled by train A on Tuesday and Friday is same as the number of passengers travelled by train B on which days or not? First of all, what is the A value on Tuesday? A value on Tuesday 150. A value on Friday 300. Total it is 450 or not? The same 450 sum, it will be equal to sum of the B values on which days or not? What is the first option? Monday and Wednesday. What is the B Monday value? 225. Wednesday value 200. Both are adding 425. But we required 450 or not? First option, no. What is the second option? Tuesday and Wednesday. What the B Tuesday value? 250. Wednesday 200. Both are adding 450 or not? Means it is same as which one? Second option or first option? Second option. Out of the 4 options, answer is only one option or not? Then we are get the second option is answer. Next question number 57. ABC can do a piece of work in how many days? 17 days, 34 days and 68 days respectively. A started the work, B joined him on the immediate next day. After X days, A and B left from work and handed over to which one? C. But C completed the remaining work in how many days? 10 days. Find the value of X or not. Okay. First of all, A alone in how many days? 17. B alone 34. C alone 68. What is the LCM of 17, 34, 68? 68 means total work is how much? 68. 17 how many times? 4 times. Means A efficiency 4. Next 34 how many times? 2 times. B efficiency 2 or not? Yes or no? C efficiency 1 or not? Okay. But here A started the work and B joined him on the immediate next day. After X days means A is working on it for X days, B is working on it for X minus 1 or X plus 1? X minus 1. After X days, A started means A working on it for X days, but B working on it for X minus 1 day. What is the A efficiency? 4. Then we return 4 into X days. Next, what is the B efficiency? 2. Then he worked on it for X minus 1 day. Next, what is the C efficiency? 1. But he worked on it for 10 days. All these are adding. We are get the total work or remaining work? Total work. What is the total work here? 68. Solving this one, we are get the X value. Left hand side 4X plus 2X. 6X. Minus 2 plus 10. Plus 8. Plus 8 becomes minus 8. 68 minus 8. 60 or not? What is the X value? 10 or not? A started the work, B joined him on the immediate next day. Means B worked on it for X days, A worked on it for X plus 1 day. Okay. A efficiency is how much? 4. He worked on it for X plus 1 day. What is the B efficiency? 2. He worked on it for X days. What is the C efficiency? 1. He worked on it for 10 days. B joined him on the immediate next day after X days. Means after B X days or not? After B X days means A is how many days are working? X plus 1 or not? Okay. All these are adding. We are get the total work. That is how much? 68. What is the difference between 68 and 10? 58. And here left hand side 4 into 1. 4. 58 minus 4. 54. That is equal to how much? 6x. 6 how many times? 9 times or not? Sorry, it is 9 answer. Next question number 58. An Li consists of 40% of which one? Silver, 20% of copper and 40% of which one? Nickel. How much copper in kgs should be added to 120 kgs of the Li so that the new Li consists of 50% of which one? Copper or not? Okay. In Li, how many kgs are taken? 120 kgs. It is added to which one? Some copper or not? Yes or no? How much copper should be added to which one? 120 kgs of the Li or not? But the same Li consists silver and copper. Silver is how much percent? 40%. Silver is how much? 40. Copper is 20%. Then I return out of 120 kgs, copper is how much percent? 20% or not? Copper is how much? 20%. Again we are adding the X kgs of copper or not? X kgs of copper. After adding the X kgs of copper means in X kgs copper, what is the copper percentage? 100% or not? Out of 120 kgs copper percentage 20%. Out of X kgs copper percentage 100%. These two are mixing, we are get the new mixture or not? In that new mixture, what is the copper percentage? 50% or not. Solving these three values, we are get the ratio or not. 150 difference 50, 50 and 20 difference 30 or not. What is the ratio? 5:3 or not. What is the 5 parts value? 120. Then every one part 24. Then 3 parts are 72 or not. Then x equal to how many kgs? 72 kgs or not. Next question number 59. A sum invested at compound interest amount to which one? 15,400 in how many years? 5 years. And 18,634 in how many years? 7 years. At x% rate per annum. Find the simple interest in rupees on a sum of 24,100 at x plus 10% rate per annum in how many years? 2 years or not. First case, how many years amount? 5 years amount. Second one, 7 years amount or not. Okay, one is 7 years amount, another one 5 years amount. Then I return principal in both the cases same or different? Same. Principal in both the cases are same, but amounts in both the cases are different or not. This one we return A1 by A2. A1 means amount in 7 years. A2 means amount in 5 years. One is 1 plus R by 100 whole power 7. Another one 1 plus R by 100 whole power 5 or not. Okay, that is equal to which one? 18,634 by 15,400 or not. Okay, one is equal to 7 years amount, another one are equal to 5 years amount. 154, 11 multiple. Yes or no? 11 how many times? 14 times or not? Next, 11 how many times? 186. 1, 6. How many times? 176 complete. Remaining 103. How many times? 9. Again 400. Again 1400. 14 multiple or not? 14 how many times? 100 times. 14 how many times? Numerator. 1. 1. 1 or 2? 1, 2. Again 1 or not? Okay. That is equal to 121 by 100. Means 11 by 10. Power 2 or power 1? Power 2. Left hand side it is 1 plus R by 100 power 2. 1 plus R by 100 power 2. That is equal to which one? 11 by 10 power 2 or not? Then R equal to how much percent? 10% or not? R equal to how much? 10%. Means rate of percent per annum is how much percent? 10%. Both side 1 plus R by 100 equal to 11 by 10. Then R is how much percent? 10% or not? Next. What is the question here? Find the simple interest on sum of 24,100 at x plus 10% rate per annum in how many years? 2 years. Already x value 10. 10 plus 10, 20. 20% for 2 years means simple interest 40%. Simple interest 40%. 40% of which value? 24,100 means percentage 2 zeros are cancelled. 4 into 241. 9640. Which option? Second one. Next question number 60. In triangle PQR, O is the center of the which one? Triangle. Angle OQR equal to how much? 28 degrees and angle ORQ is 31 degrees. Then find the measure of the angle QPR. Okay. First of all, triangle PQR. PQR. O is the which one? Center of the circular. And angle OQR. Angle OQR is given how many degrees? 28 degrees. Next, angle ORQ is given how much? 31 degrees. Yes or no? Suppose if P value are theta, then O value is how much? 90 plus theta by 2 or not? 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 90 plus theta by Yes or no? If P value are theta, then O value is how much? 90 plus theta by 2. 28 plus 31, how much? 59. What is the remaining value? 121. That 121 equal to how much value? 90 plus theta by 2 equal to how much? 121. Then theta by 2 it is equal to how much? 31. Then theta value is 62 degrees. Yes or no? If P value are theta, then O value are how much? 90 plus theta by 2. Next question number 61. The value of 8 sine square 52 plus 8 into sine square 38 minus 5 by 6 into secant square 56 minus 6 into cot square 34 plus 2 into 16 into sine square 420. Okay. First of all, sine square 38. Sine square 38, it is also equal to which one? Cos square 52. Okay. Next, cot square 34. Cot square 34, it is also equal to which one? Tan square 56. Tan square 56. What is the numerator? 8 common. 8 into sine square 52 plus 8 into cos square 52. Then 8 common means we return 8 into sine square 52 plus cos square 52. Sine square 52 plus cos square 52 means 1. The numerator it is 800. Then we return 8 minus 5 by 6 into secant square 56 minus 6 into cot square 34. What is the cot square 34? Tan square 56. Then we return 6 of secant square minus tan square secant square 56 minus tan square 5600. Secant square theta minus tan square theta 100. Then denominator we are getting 6 plus 2 or 6 minus 2? 6 plus 2 into 16. Sine square how much? 420. 420 means we return sine of 360 plus 60 degrees. 360 plus theta means sine value or sine 60. 360 plus theta means sine value we return sine theta. Then sine 60 degrees. What is the sine 60 value? Root 3 by 2. Then we return root 3 by 2 power 2 or not? Yes or no? 8 minus 5, 3. 6 plus 2, 8 into 16. And it will be 3 by 4. Okay. 8 how many times? 2 times. 2 again. 2 times or not? It will be 9 by 2 or not? 9 by 2 means 4 and a half or not? Next question number 62. 4x cube minus x square plus 3 equal to 0. Then what is the value of 12x cube minus 5x square plus 9 by square root of 16 power x power 6 plus 24 x power cube plus 900. First of all, 4x cube minus x square plus 3 equal to how much? 0. This one we return 4x cube plus 3. It is equal to how much value? X square. Yes or no? Next, suppose the left hand side it is multiplied by 3 times, right hand side also multiplied by 3 times. Left hand side 3 times means we are getting 12x cube plus 9. It is equal to 3x square. Yes or no? 12x cube plus 9 equal to how much? 3x square. What is the numerator? 12x cube minus 5x square plus 9. In place of 12x cube plus 9, we return how much? 3x square. The numerator we are getting 3x square minus 5x square. What is the denominator? Square root of 16x power 6. This one we written 4x power 3 or not? Yes or no? 24x cube plus 9. This one we written 4x cube plus 3 square or not? Yes or no? 4x cube plus 3 power 2 means it is a plus b whole square or not? Means one is 16 x power 6 plus 9 plus 2 into 4 into 3, nothing but 24 x cube or not? In place of root value we written directly 4x cube plus 3 whole power 2 or not? Square and root are cancelled or not? Numerator minus 2x square or plus 2x square? Minus 2x square. Denominator 4x square plus 3. But 4x square plus 3 means x square. Divide by x square or not? X square cancel. What is the answer? Minus 2 or plus 2? Minus 2. Just change the denominator value. It is written as a plus b whole square format or not? Next question number 63. Question number 63. Again bar graph. The number of passengers who travelled by train A on Tuesday and Thursday is what percent more than the half of the passengers who travelled train B on Monday and Thursday? What the train A value on Tuesday? 150 or not? And Thursday 175. Total it is 325 or not? Next, half of the passengers who travelled train B on Monday and Thursday. What the B Monday value? 225. Thursday value 275. Total it is 500. Half means 250 or not? How much value or more? 75 more or not? 75 upon which one? 250 into 100 or not? Means it is 30% or not? 30 or 40? 30%. Question number 64. In a triangle ABC, angle A is given how much? 30 degrees. AB is given 2 root 3 centimeters and AC are given 3 centimeters. Then what is the length of the BC? Okay. And here triangle ABC, A is given how many degrees? 30. AB value are given 2 root 3 and AC value are given 300. We required which one? BC value 100. By using the cosine rule. By using cosine rule. Cosine rule, what is the cosine rule? BC square equal to AB square plus AC square minus 2 into AB into AC into sine of A value or not? Sorry, cos A. Not sine A, it is cos A or not? Cos A. What the AB value are given? 2 root 3. What the 2 root 3 square? 12 or not? Next, what the AC value? 3. 3 square means 9 minus 2 into 2 root 3 into 3 into cos A. What is the cos A value? Cos 30. Cos 30 means root 3 by 2 or not? First of all, 2 get cancelled or not? Root 3 into root 3, 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 2s are 18. 12 plus 9, 21 minus 18. Then we are getting 3 or not? That is equal to BC square or B? BC square. We required which one? BC value or not? What is the answer? Root 3 or not? Cosine rule. Next question number 65. What is the first one priority? 12 by 4 divided by 3. First one is the numerator, remaining two are denominator product or not? 4 into 3 how much? 12. 12 get cancelled or not? That is 1 or not? Plus 24 divided by 16. 24 divided by which one? 16 into 1 by 4 into how much value? 2 by 3 or not? 4 3 is how much? 12. 12 how many times? 2 times. 2 into 2, 4. 4 how many times? 4 times. It is 1 plus 1 by 4 or not? What is the next one? 18 divided by 1 by 3 of 3 divided by how much? 9. This one we written 18 by 1 by 3 into 3 again into 9 or not? Division again division or not? Continuation division means first term is numerator, remaining two are denominator, product or not? 3 3 get cancelled. 9 how many times? 2 times. Plus 2 or minus 2? Plus 2. It is numerator or not? What is the denominator? 3 1 by 4 divided by 1 1 by 12. 3 1 by 4 means 13 by 4 into 12 by 13 or not? Division becomes multiplication. 13 13 cancel. 12 by 4 means 3. 4 or 3? 3. It is 3. Second one, 5 1 by 2 means 11 by 2 into 4 by 11 into 4 or not? 5 1 by 2, 11 by 2 into how much? 4 by 11. 11 11 cancel. 2 how many times? 2 times. It is 8 or not? Next, last one, 4 into 3 divided by 6 or not? Means it is 2 or not? What is the numerator? 1 plus 2, 3, 1 by 4 or not? 3 1 by 4 means 13 by 4. What is the denominator? 3 plus 8, 11, 11 plus 2, 13. 13 13 get cancelled or not? What is the remaining value? 1 by 4. Next question number 66. Next question, question number 66. If x cube plus y cube minus z cube plus 3xyz equal to 0, p into x plus y whole square by 6xy into p into y minus z whole square by 4yz into p into z minus x whole square by 9xz equal to how much? 1 or not? Okay. First of all, x cube plus y cube minus z cube plus 3xyz equal to how much? 0. This one, x plus y minus z equal to 0 or not? X plus y minus z whole power 3 equal to 0 or not? Means we are get the x plus y minus z equal to 0. This one we written x plus y equal to how much? Z or not? Y minus z equal to minus x or not? Okay. Z minus x equal to z minus x equal to minus y or not? Minus y or plus y? Plus y. Minus z becomes plus z. Plus x becomes minus x. Z minus x equal to how much? Plus y. In place of x plus y we are substitute z. In place of y minus z we are substitute minus x. In place of z minus x we are substitute plus y or not? First one, p into what is the x plus y value? Z. Then we written z square or not? Next, denominator 6 into xy or not? Into p into y minus z whole square. What is the y minus z? Minus x. Nothing but x square or not? Minus x power 2 means we are getting positive value or not? By 4 into yz into p into z minus x. What is the z minus x value? Y. It will be y square or not? By how much value? 9 into xz equal to how much? 1 or not? The numerator z square, denominator z square cancel or not? Numerator x square, denominator x square cancel or not? Numerator y square, denominator y square cancel or not? Yes or no? 6 into 4 how much? 24. 24 into 9. 216 or not? 216 is which one cube? 6 cube. Means p is how much? 6 or not? P value 6. But we required which one? P minus 2 whole cube. P minus 2 means 4. 4 cube means 64. a cube plus b cube minus c cube plus 3abc equal to 0 means just we return a plus b minus c equal to 0. Next question number 67. Uday, a plumber earned an average of X rupees in the month of which one? February. He earned an average of 824 rupees per day during the first how many days? 15 days. And 615 per day during the last 10 days. What was the average income per day excluding the 16th, 17th and 18th of February? Okay. Clarity ఏమీ లేదు కదా. If it is ordinary year or leap year, mention చేయలేదు అంటే it is always considered as ordinary year. In ordinary year, February, how many months are there? Sorry, how many days are there? 28 days are. Okay. First of all, first 15 days average is how much? 824. Means 15 into 824 or not? Yes or no? Next, last 10 days average is how much? 615. What is the last 10 days sum? 10 into 615 or not? Okay. Total how many days sum it is? 25 days. Divide by 25, we are get the average of other than the 16th day, 17th day and 18th day or not? Yes or no? What is the first 15 days sum? 15 into 824. Last 10 days sum? 10 into 615. Both are adding, we are get the sum of how many days? 25 days. What is the question here? What was the average income per day excluding 16th, 17th and 18th or not? Means except 3 days or not? Means required average of remaining 25 days or not? 5 how many times? 3. 5 how many times? 2. Again 5 how many times? 5 times or not? Okay. 3 into 824. 3 into 824. 2472 or not? Plus 2 into 615. 1230 or not? 1230. Both are adding, it is 3702 or not? Divide by how much? 5. But I written divide by 10 into 2 or not? Into 2. 3702 into 2 means it is 7404 by how much value? 10 or not? What is the answer? 740.4 or not? Actually divide by 5 means we return divide by 10 into 2 or not? Next question number 68. Next question number 68. A 10-digit number 21699 8K 8971L is divisible by which one? 88. It is divisible by 88 means it must be satisfy the divisibility rule of 11 and also 800. Okay. What is the divisibility rule of 8? Last 3 digits are. What are the last 3 digits? 71L. Suppose if we return 0, it is 710 or not? It is divisible by 8? No. Next, in place of L we return 1. It is 711. It is divisible by 8? No. Suppose in place of L we return 2. It is 712. It is divisible by 8 or not? Means L must be how much? 2 or not? Then L value is how much? 2. Again we required which one? K value or not? Again we required K value. K value means verify the alternate digits. Some difference will be either 0 or 11 or not. Okay. Already we know the L value how much? 2. First alternate digits. 2 plus 6. 8. 8 plus 9. 17. Plus K. Plus 9. 26. Plus K or not? Plus 1. 27. 27 plus K or not? And one more. 1 plus 9. 10 plus 8. 18 plus 8 26 plus 7 33 plus 2 or not, because L value 2 or not, total it is 35. 27 plus k, it is equal to how much value? 35. K equal to how much? 8 or not. Alternate digits sum difference will be 0, means the difference between 27 plus k and 35 difference are 0, means we return 35 minus of 27 plus k, it is equal to how much value? 0. In that case k must be 8 or not. Okay, what is the question here? Square root of 6k plus 5l. 6 into 8 48 plus 5 into 2 10, total it is 58 or not. Next question number 69. During a festive season, a train has been reserved up to how much? 70% of its capacity on one day. On the next day, it has been reserved up to 60% of its capacity. But 12 people who have reserved for 2 days have chosen different means of transport. Means first day and second day, total how many are chosen? 12 members are extra chosen or not? Yes or no? The 12 members are both the days or only one day? Both the days. As a result, the train has been filled up to 63% for 2 days together. What is the question here? How many people have traveled by the train for the 2 days together? Okay. Suppose actual number of seats we are consider 100%. Actual number of seats we are consider 100%. Means first day 100% seats are available. Second day also 100% of seats are available. First day how much percent are filled? 70%. Means 70% on first day. Second day how much percent? 60%. Then we return 60% of 100%. Total how much percent? 130%. In this 130%, 12 people are both the days or only one day? Both the days. Then we are subtracting 12 or adding 12? Subtracting 12 or not? Subtracting 12. Out of 130%, 12 are reserved both the days or not? Then we are subtracting 12 members. We are get the reserved for first day and also second day. Total members or not? The same total members, it is also equal to first day actual seats 100%. Second day actual seats 100%. Total it is 200%. Out of 200%, how much percent are filled? 63%. Then we return 63% of which one? 200% or not? 63% of 200%. Left hand side filled up after 2 days. Right hand side also filled up after 2 days or not? What is the 63% of 200%? 126%. 70 plus 60, 130. What is the difference? 4% or not? What is the 4% value? 12 or not? What is the question here? How many people have traveled by the trains for the 2 days together? 2 days together means either left hand side value or right hand side value or not? Yes or no? 70 plus 60, 130. What is the 130% value? 390 or not? 390. In the 12 members are both the days are considered. Then we return 390 minus 12. How much? 378 or not? Yes or no? Or the actual filling 70% and 60%. Total 130. Out of 130, 12 members are both the days are considered. Yes or no? What is the answer? 378. 63 is 9 multiple. 63 is 9 multiple. How many options are 9 multiples? Only one or not? Yes or no? Next question number 70. A 35 meters high tent is in the shape of a which one? Cylinder, surmounted by which one? Cone. If the base radius of the tent is given 8 meters and height of the cylindrical part is how much? 20 meters. Find the cost in rupees of canvas required for making the tent at the rate of 14 rupees per meter square. Okay. A 35 meters high tent is in the shape of a which one? Cylinder. It is surmounted by which one? Cone. Means bottom diagram are cylinder. Bottom are cylinder. Upper portion are cone. Yes or no? Surmounted by cone. Okay. And what is the height of the total tent? 35 meters. This is total height is how many meters? 35 meters. In that cylindrical part height is how much? 20 meters. Only cylindrical height is how much? 20 meters. Okay. What is the radius of the cone? This is radius of cone. Yes or no? What is the radius of the tent? 8 meters. Base radius means this is base. How many meters? 8 meters. What is the total height of the tent? 35. In that already cylinder 20. Remaining is how much? 15. That 15 is the cone height. What is the cone height? 15. And it is a right angle triangle. In cone it is a right angle triangle. What is the 15 square? 225. 8 square? 64. Both are adding 289. Which one square? 17. That 17 is the slant height of the cone. Slant height of the cone. What is the question here? Find the cost of canvas required for making the tent at the rate of which one? 14 rupees per meter square. Required canvas cost means required only outside area, total area. Outside area. What is the outside area of a cone? Curved surface area, total surface area. Curved surface. Only this portion or not? Curved surface. Cylinder also outside means only curved surface area. Then we written curved surface area of a cone is how much? Pi r l. Curved surface area of a cone, pi r l. What is the curved surface area of a cylinder? 2 pi r h. It is multiplied by how many times? 14 times or not? We are get the total cost or not? Yes or no? Pi r l which one's curved surface area? Cone. 2 pi r h curved surface area of a cylinder. Both are adding, we are get the total canvas area. Not. It is multiplied by 14, we are get the total cost. Pi common or not? Pi common means written 22 by 7. Again r also common or not? What is the r value? 8 into 8. L value. What is the L value? 17 plus 2 into h. What is the height of the cylinder or cone? Cylinder. What is the height of the cylinder? 20. 2 into 20, 40. 17 plus 40, 57. Into how much value? 14 or not? 7 how many times it is? 2 times or not? 22 into 8 into 57 into how many times? 2 times or not? Yes or no? 22 into 2. 176 into how much value? 114. End with how much? 4. Already we know 22 means it is 11 multiple or not? Okay. First option is 11 multiple. No. Second option? Yes or no? No. Third option? Yes. Fourth one? No. Your answer? Third option or not? Before solving the question, first verify the 11 multiple. Because we required pi rl plus how much? 2 pi rh. It must be a multiple of 11 or not? Next 71. The areas of two similar triangles are 144 centimeter square and 81 centimeter square. Find the ratio of their perimeters. Here similar triangles areas are in which ratio? Similar triangles areas are a square is to b square means sides are in which ratio? A is to b or not? Similar triangles, areas are a square is to b square means sides are in which ratio? A is to b. What is the a square is to b square? 144 is to 81. Then sides are in which ratio? 12 is to 9. 12 is to 9 means 4 is to 3 or not? In similar triangles, if areas are a square is to b square means sides must be a is to b. Or sides are a is to b means areas are a square is to b square. Next question number 72. A vendor marks his articles at a profit of how much? 40% higher than the which one? Cost price, and allows a 15% discount on every article. If the selling price of the one article is how much? 595. Find the profit gained by the vendor on each article. Suppose cost price of the article we are consider how much? 100%. Market price compared to cost price how much percent are higher? 40% higher. Means market price is 140%. But he allows how much percent discount? 15%. What is the 10%? 14. 5%? 7. 140 minus 21. Then selling price is 119%. Adding or subtracting? Subtracting. Okay. What the cost price is? 100%. Selling price is 119%. In place of 119%, how many rupees are given? 595 or not? What is the question here? Profit or loss? Profit. Cost price is 100%. Selling price is 119%. What is the profit percent? 19% or not? Almost how many times? 5 times or not? What is the answer? 95. Next question number 73. Piyush and Ganesh started a business. Ganesh invested 37.5% of the total capital and Piyush invested the remaining. After a few months, Piyush left the business. Ganesh earned 72,000 as his share from the total profit of which one? 1,02,000. Find the time for which Piyush invested. How many persons here? 2 persons. One is Ganesh, another one Piyush. What is the Ganesh investment? 37.5%. What is the fraction? 3/8. What is the fraction? 3/8. Means out of 8 parts, Ganesh invested 3 parts. Ganesh 3 parts are invested, remaining 5 parts are invested by Piyush. Yes or no? Next, after few months, which one are left? Piyush. Means Piyush capital are used for some time or total time? Some time. But Ganesh capital are used for total time or some time? Total time. 3 into 12 by 5 into T. That is equal to profits ratio or time ratio? Profits ratio. Okay. What is the total profit of both the persons? 1 or 2 or not? Yes or no? In that Ganesh profit 72. Ganesh 72 received means remaining 30 are received by Piyush. Yes sir. 5 how many times? 6 times sir. 12 into 6. 72 cancel. Then T equal to how many months? 3 months sir. Next question number 74. A circle is inscribed in a quadrilateral ABCD and touches the sides of AB, BC, CD and DA at EFGH. If angle BCD is given how many degrees? 90 degrees. And CG equal to FC, it is also equal to 16 centimeters. Find the area of a circular. A circle is inscribed in a which one? Quadrilateral. Means outer diagram are quadrilateral. Outer diagram are which one? Quadrilateral. Outer diagram is quadrilateral. Inner diagram are which one? Circular. What the points are given? A, B, C, D are. AB touches E and BC are F and CD are G and D are H are. Okay. What is the angle BCD value? 90 degrees. Angle BCD are 90 degrees means the same AE value, it is also equal to which one? AE value and AH value, it is also equal to which one? Radius of the circular. Radius of the which one? AE and AH both are equal to which one? Radius of the circle. If any side are taken, we are get the equal radius or different radius? Equal radius. And here CG and FC value are given how much? 16. CG and FC, these values are given how much? 16. Means CG value or radius, FC value also radius. What is the question here? Area of a circular. What is the circle area? Pi r square. Then we return pi into, what is the radius value? 16. Then we return 16 square. What is the 16 square? 256. Then answer 256 pi r. CG and CF equal or different? Equal. And it is also equal to which one? Radius value. Next 75. Find the value of which one? Sin square 52.5 minus sin square 7.5. This one we return sin square A minus sin square B. What is the sin square A minus sin square B value? Sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. Okay. One is 52.5, another one 7.5. Both are adding 60. Sin 60. Second one sin 45. What is the sin 60 value? Root 3 by 2. Sin 45, 1 by root 2. Okay. This one we return root 3 by 2 root 2. 2 root 2. Already we know 2 root 2 means it is root 8 or not? Yes or no? What is the total answer? Root 3 by root 8 or not? Then answer will be under root of root 3 by 8. Okay.